Hey everyone, it's Neha with College Shortcuts, where we help students find their passion, build their personality, and pitch them to their dream school and get accepted. Today I want to talk about what is college admissions consulting. See, why is it even a thing? Well, the first thing is that there's over 4 million students applying. See, over 20 years ago, you could get a high school degree and it was totally fine. But today, more and more students are applying, not just in the US, but also internationally, which spikes up the competition. And so that's why college admissions consulting exists, to help students not only figure out where they want to go, but also ensure that their applications truly stand out in the process. Now, why should you even think about college admissions consulting? Well, it's kind of like looking at it from a different perspective in the sense that, when you want to sell your house, you typically look for a realtor who understands the market, understands what it is that people are looking for, and helps you get the best deal and the best bang for your buck. The same thing goes with college admissions consulting. Consultants that are admissions experts that know exactly what the schools are looking for and can help you package yourself perfectly can make all the difference. And I know that's a lot of peas, but I got more to come. Now, what is it that other people are doing in this industry? Now, there's many people that do college admissions consulting. You may not know this, but it's over $1 billion industry helping students get into college. And there's all sorts of different types of companies. I know because I've been doing this for over 14 years. There's some companies that are a one-woman or one-man show. That's upwards of 72% of the industry, where someone has opened up something, they do it in the local area, and they only work with a few handful of students. Then you've got your big box retailers, where they've got hundreds of consultants, and your child might just be another number in the crowd for them. When it comes to College Shortcuts, we're a boutique agency. We have a certain number of consultants, of which I'm very particular when I hire them. We go through over 1,000 resumes to pick one consultant. And these are consultants that are overachievers like me. They're at the top of their class. They're also very passionate about what they do. They have personality, and they know what it takes to package and pitch a student. And that's why they're incredible consultants that are relatable to your child in the process. I make sure to put someone in place because we all know these teenagers, they don't listen all the time. So you need to have the right type of consultant in their vicinity to really ensure that they're being handled the proper way. And then on the other side of our team is we have our editing team. Now, these are more seasoned editors. Some have worked at admissions offices and they help with that aspect. But our goal at College Shortcuts is to ensure your child is pitched in the proper way. And so I hope you understand there are a lot of different people out there, but what really makes College Shortcuts different is that we do A to Z. We go all the way from tutoring, mentorship, to college admissions consulting. And we care. As a female founder, I know what it's like for these mothers to have to send their kids to school and what that feeling is like. So to me, it's very important that when your child works with us, they become my child through this process. I hope you understand why college admissions consulting exists, and I hope this video tells you why students and parents are using it every single day. 1 in 3 children are using a college admissions consultant or getting outside help. So if you're looking for that type of help, don't hesitate to reach out to us at collegeshortcuts.com. Thank you.